In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications from Google Calendar. Whether you're trying to minimize distractions, manage your time more efficiently, or simply need a break, turning off notifications can help streamline your daily activities. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and easy to follow. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google Calendar. You can easily do this by typing calendar.google.com in the address bar. Once there, make sure you're logged into your Google account. You should be seeing your calendar views with all the events and reminders you've set up neatly displayed. Next, direct your attention to the gear icon, usually located at the upper right corner of your screen. This is where Google keeps the settings for your calendar. Click on the gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. Now, once you're in the Settings area, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a list of different categories that you can customize. Scroll down until you find Notification Settings. Click this link to access the Notification Settings page where you'll have all the options related to alerts and notifications. Within the notification settings, Google gives you the flexibility to manage how and if you receive notifications for events. Here you can see options for the type of notifications you can receive, whether by email or through web pop-ups. To turn off notifications altogether, look for the section that outlines these options and select Off. This will suppress notifications, so you won't get any pop-ups or emails from Google Calendar about upcoming events or reminders. This is particularly useful if you're easily distracted and need to work uninterrupted. And just like that, the notifications from Google Calendar will no longer bother you. Of course, you can come back and turn them on if you change your mind or need reminders for specific events. Remember, this setting will only apply to notifications on the web version of Google Calendar. If you also use the mobile app, you may need to adjust your settings there as well. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to turn off notifications in Google Calendar. We hope it was helpful and easy to follow. Remember, managing your notifications can be a great way to maintain your focus and stay productive. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Until next time, have a great day.